Today I received my Black Friday order. It's a pistol from Virock. Let's see what's in this box. I ordered the HW45. We have standard manual, German, English, French. And the star of the show in 22, the new HW45. What comes in the box as well is a spare seal with an Allen wrench, and inside you have silicone gel to keep it dry. And look at that. Standard wooden grips, fiber optic sights. Listen to that crisp sound. Cock the hammer. Breech comes up. Dry fire. A little rattle. But other than that, isn't she a beaut? Apparently this grip, you can change it to that fits a regular Colt 1911. Looking at the sights, the fiber optic makes it really clear your target. Can't wait to give this a whirl. All right, I'll let you know how it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.